Please be seated, ma'am.
Would you state your name, please?
My name is Angela Evans Winn,
How do you spell your last name?
Winn,
And where do you live?
in Smyrna, Tennessee, about 30 minutes outside of Nashville, Tennessee.
How long have you lived in Tennessee?
About 10 years now.
Are you married?
Yes,
How long have you been married?
10 years this November.
Do you have children?
Got 5.
What's their age range?
My youngest is 6. My oldest is 23.
What is your highest level of education?
I have a master's degree in human resources management. I'm currently working on my doctorate in higher education leadership.
How are you employed?
I work at the Tennessee State University.
And what is your position?
I'm the Director of Stewardship and Donor Relations.
I'm holding up what's marked as State's Exhibit number 2.32. Can you see this from where you're sitting?
Yes,
Do you recognize the person in this photograph?
yes,
Who is it?
it's Mindy Mason.
How did you know Mindy?
Mindy was my best friend, aunt to my children, and godmother to my daughter.
Do you recall when you first met?
We met on the first day of our new jobs as post-college graduates in 2006 at Gibson, Dunn and Crutcher.
What kind of company is that?
It's a law firm.
What was your job and what was her job?
We were both legal secretaries. She supported a partner and 2 associates. I supported an of counsel and 2 first-year associates.
Do you recall the last time you spoke with Mindy?
Yes, it was in October of 2022.
Was there anything unusual about that conversation?
No, we conversed the same as we had been for a few years through text messaging. She was excited to be getting over that hump of the situation that they had been in. She was looking forward to getting back to life, to coming to see me and the kids because she felt like she had missed so much.
How often would you speak with Mindy?
Every day that she could.
Did you discuss important issues in each of your lives?
Yes, we did.
Did you share confidences together?
Yes, we did.
Did you trust her?
Yes,
Did she trust you?
absolutely.
Do you recognize the defendant in the courtroom?
Yes.
How do you recognize him?
Nick Casotis. My kids called him Uncle Nick.
When was the first time you met him?
It was shortly after him and Mindy had started dating. We had dinner with my husband. She was so excited. She really thought that she had found her partner.
When you had dinner with him, where was that?
This was in Virginia. I believe it was that time that we may have gone back to their house after we had the kids with us and we had a bonfire and they roasted marshmallows.
So it was their residence?
Yes,
Where about in
in
Virginia?
Alexandria.
Do you recall when Mindy got married?
Yes, I do.
Were you a participant of her wedding?
I was matron of honor.
Did Mindy describe to you the background of the defendant?
Yes, Nick is Navy JAG, I believe Boston University, JD, very well accomplished, great family. He was no longer in military service. He had moved to the private sector. Was working for a computer company, I believe Microsoft, on very top level confidential software.
Now, you mentioned that Mindy was excited because she felt like she was about to get over the hump.
Yes.
What does that mean?
I was advised by Mindy that her and Nick were part of some sort of security breach that they needed to go into hiding for their own protection.
Did she go into any detail?
Not until the end, when she told me that the reason they had been on the run was because apparently Nick's parents weren't his real parents. Something about him, being taken away as a child. He was the son of diplomats. It was a wild story.
Do you recall the last time you spoke with Mindy?
Yes.
Roughly when would that have been?
Second week in October of 2022,
And what did Mindy tell you during that conversation?
that she was ready to come home.
What about her physical condition?
She had told me that she was pregnant.
Did she know the sex?
No,
Did she know the due date?
no.
I'm showing you now what's marked as state's exhibit number 2.51. You recognize that?
Yes,
What is it?
it's an Instagram message between myself and Nick Casotis.
And is this a fair and accurate copy of the actual Instagram message that you received?
Yes, it is.
I'll tender it this time state's exhibit number 2.51.
I just need to look at it for a moment. No objection, Your Honor.
If you would read to the jury the text involved in that.
Nick says, "Are you available for me to call?" And I respond saying, "Yes, always available. Don't ever have to ask."
Then did you call?
Yes, he called me.
And you spoke with him?
I did speak.
You
with him.
recognized his voice?
I absolutely did.
Tell the jury how that conversation went.
He was crying. He said that Mindy was gone, that he didn't know what happened. He apologized, saying he wished he could have protected her more, and that he was so sorry for her not being here anymore. I asked him, "What about the baby?" He said, "Oh, we lost the baby." But he sounded really upset.
Was there any discussion about cremation?
No, there was no discussion. The first conversation that we had, he said he didn't know what was going on. He said that they would perform tests over the weekend and he would let me know as soon as he heard something. He called me that Monday to tell me that she had passed because of a massive stroke that he said was hereditary on her father's side.
What about funeral arrangements?
No funeral arrangements. I asked him every single time I talked to him if he needed help with any type of arrangements or if I needed to come down to be with him to help him with things.
Is that the last time you spoke with him?
Yes.
That's all the questions I have.
You can have a seat, ma'am. Mr. Weinstein may have some questions.
I forgot about that part.
Okay.
I'm so ready to go.
No problem.
Good morning, Ms. Winn. I'm Doug Weinstein. I'm representing Mr. Casotis. I'll be brief this morning. You testified that you and Mindy were best friends, correct?
Yes.
Y'all could talk truthfully to each other, correct?
Yes.
When Mindy told you that they had security watching over them and they had to be in hiding, you believed her, correct?
Yes.
You had no reason to not believe her.
No.
When Mindy told you she was pregnant, you believed her then as well.
I absolutely did.
Had Mindy lied to you before?
No, nothing I'm aware of.
When Nick called you, you said he was crying, correct?
Yes, he was.
Terribly upset.
He sounded so.
And he wished he could have protected her more.
That's what he said.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
Mhm.